All right, did everyone enjoy their snacks tonight? The botanitas? Yeah? Did you guys like the drink? The setup? Yes? Can I get a louder yes? All right, well, there's a reason we have them here tonight. It is our small business of the year. I want to share a story about them. They are right here in Assembly District 20. They were founded by Ramirez Jasso, a proud native of Aguascalientes, Mexico. Yoyo's Botaneria is more than a snack shop. It's a vibrant community hub rooted in culture, family, and kinship. Inspired by her childhood memories of meat clubs, her father's store in Mexico, Yoyo's carries forward a legacy of connection, care, offering authentic botanitas and welcoming space where everyone feels like family. You can see there on the left, that's my dad. It was bring my dad to work day, and so he's there enjoying his little snack. Please join me in welcoming Diana from Yoyo's Botaneria, our small business of the year.
Good evening, everyone. I think I'm gonna read because I'm an immigrant and I don't speak very well English, so thank you for your patience. Thank you. Thank you, Assembly Member Liz Ortega and your team. We are so happy and proud to be a small business of the year. In Yoyo's Botaneria, we specialize in Mexican snacks and drinks. For those that doesn't know what Botaneria means, it's a snack shop. That's the meaning of Botaneria. We are located in Cherryland, an unincorporated area of Alameda County. This award is not just for us, it is for the whole community. Yoyo's Botaneria in our new location would not be possible without so many people. Especially my family, my dad over here, taking photos. My husband in the back that left his job like 2 or 3 months ago to be part of the business. And also my stepmom, my son, my brother, and my sister. Also, our dream only happened because of our community. Thank you to non-profits like Mandala Partners. Thank you also to Theodore, our Optima cooperative, who helped us with our financials. Thank you also to Alameda County for the facade improvement program that helped fix part of our building. And thank you to all of our amazing Kickstarter supporters who believe in us from the start. We got a Kickstarter campaign like 2 years ago to be able to open the space, so it was a huge accomplishment. And also, I want to give a very special thank you to Assembly Ortega. Thank you for fighting for the small businesses like us. We are very grateful for your work to try to get rid of credit cards white face. And thank you for your team for getting in touch with us and telling you about our little shop. My dream was to create a place that feels like a family. We wanted to take an old abandoned building and bring it back to life to Cherryland. It was a lot of work, but we did it. And also, in Yoyo's, we don't just serve food. We want to serve alegría, cultura y comunidad. Joy, culture, and community. This award gave us so much energy to keep going, especially in these times. Thank you so much. Gracias.
Go ahead. It's like, no, like the opposite.
Somebody leaning on the light? Or they're trying to kick us out? One of the two.
Let's try it one more time. Thank you.
Let's give it up one more time for Yoyo. Make sure you go to the restaurant. They cater, follow them on Instagram. Small businesses struggle. They need all of our community to make sure they stay profitable and continue to serve their deliciousness. All right. We're almost there, guys.